Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using the library book search. In this video, we'll walk through how to access the library book search from the Shapiro Library homepage, how to conduct a search for a particular book, and how to submit a request for a book to be mailed to your home address. The library book search is a tool that allows users to locate print resources that the library has access to, like print books or print journals. To access the library book search, go to the library homepage, then select the tab at the top of the screen that says Find Resources. Next, you'll select Library Book Search from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the library book search homepage, which has a search box at the top of the page that you can use to find specific items. And if you scroll down the page, you can see instructions on how to use the library book search and how to manage your book loans. If I'm looking for a specific book, I can type the title into the search box at the top of the page. I'll type Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire into the search bar for a sample search. When I press Enter on the keyboard or select the magnifying glass in the search box, I will be taken to a results page that includes all of the physical copies of this book that Shapiro Library has in its collection. When you find the book you're looking for, the key thing you'll want to notice is the status. If the book is currently checked out to someone, the status will say On Loan. If it's available to be checked out, the status will say Available. Once you find the book you would like to check out, select Place Hold in the bottom left corner of the screen. A box will pop up that allows you to choose your pickup location. If you would like to pick up the book in person from Shapiro Library, you can select Shapiro Library from the drop-down menu in the center of the box. If you would like the book mailed to you, select Off-Campus Postal Delivery from the drop-down menu. For off-campus postal delivery, we recommend inputting your mailing address into the comment section of the pop-up box. After you choose your pickup method, select the Place Hold button in the bottom right corner of the box. If you have selected Shapiro Library as your pickup location, you will receive an email once the item is ready for pickup. If you have selected off-campus postal delivery, you will not receive a pickup email, but you can follow the progress of your request by logging into your MyEBSCO library account. In your MyEBSCO account, you can use the column on the left side of the screen to track your holds and checkouts. When your hold is fulfilled, it will move from your hold list to the list of items currently checked out to you. This signifies that the item has been mailed to you via USPS priority mail and should arrive within 1 to 3 business days. If you have any questions about creating or accessing your MyEBSCO library account or about using the library book search, please reach out to our library team by using the chat feature on the homepage of the website or by emailing ask@snhu.libanswers.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and good luck with your research!